Hey, Riley from Lume Cube here, and I'm going to walk you through how to use your Lume Cube panel. At Lume Cube, we pride ourselves on making our products as user-friendly as possible. So on the panel, we've added a 3-button system. The power and mode button, the plus button to increase brightness or color temperature, and the minus button to decrease brightness or color temperature. To turn the Lume Cube panel on, simply hold the power button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, on. Out of the gate, you'll be controlling brightness level. You can increase brightness level or decrease brightness level in 5% increments. In order to change color temperature, simply press the power and or mode button, and that will drop your arrow down to the color temperature. Increase or decrease your color temperature with the plus and minus buttons. Easy as that. A very helpful feature about the panel is that when changing your brightness level, you'll see an immediate reflection in your runtime in the top left corner of the LCD screen. To turn off your Lume Cube panel, simply hold the power button for 3 seconds. On the bottom of the panel, you'll find a built-in Q20 mount, a micro USB port, a USB-C port, and a 5-volt out, which will allow you to turn your panel into a power bank. To turn your panel into a power bank, simply take the micro HDMI end of the USB adapter, plug it into the 5-volt out, and plug in any USB charging cable to the device. The included diffuser simply slides onto the panel. Just make sure the arms are at the top of the device. And now you know how to use your panel. Check us out on Instagram or hit us up if you have any questions, and go light it up.